Hi everybody and welcome. Today we are at this beautiful mid-century ranch in the middle of one of Modesto's favorite neighborhoods, Northgate. Come on and get a look. It is a beauty. What a wonderful house. Almost 2,700 square feet with 5 bedrooms and 3 full bathrooms. Beautifully maintained, lovingly so. There's a lot to see. What a great house for family. Separate living and dining, and an area out the back that's perfect for extended family. There's a lot here and I can't wait for you to see it. Look at this yard. It sits on a beautiful corner lot with alley access for ease of RV parking. It's just got it all. And we're going to be open this weekend, Saturday and Sunday, noon to 2. Come by and get a look. I'm Lorraine Cardoza with the Cardoza Group at PMZ Real Estate, and I look forward to seeing you here.